Hello and welcome to the elementary English listening. Today I want to tell you about my sports adventure. After the story, we will do some exercises to check on your understanding. I suggest you listen to this video carefully at least 3 times to improve your understanding skills. Are you ready? Let's start. When I was little, I did not like sports. I was shy. I was afraid to try new things. But one day, my friend Anna asked me to play soccer with her. I said, "No, thank you." She asked me again and again. Finally, I said, "Okay, I will try." We went to the park. There were many children playing soccer. I was nervous. Anna showed me how to kick the ball. At first, I was not good. I kicked the ball, but it did not go far. I tried again. The ball went a little farther. I practiced more and more. Soon I learned to play soccer well. I could run with the ball. I could kick the ball to my friends. I could even score goals. Soccer became my favorite sport. I played soccer every Saturday with my friends. One day, my teacher told us about sports day at school. There would be many different sports to try. I was excited. On sports day, I tried basketball first. In basketball, you bounce the ball and throw it into a hoop. It was hard for me to throw the ball high enough, but I kept trying. After many tries, I made one basket. Everyone cheered for me. I felt happy. Next, I tried swimming. I put on my swimsuit and went to the pool. The water was cold. I was a little scared. The swimming teacher helped me. She taught me how to move my arms and legs. I learned to float on the water. Swimming was fun. I felt like a fish. After lunch, I tried tennis. In tennis, you hit a ball with a racket. The racket was heavy for me. The ball went everywhere. Sometimes it went over the net. Sometimes it did not. Tennis was difficult, but I liked it. Then I tried running. We had a race. I ran as fast as I could. I was not the fastest, but I did not give up. I finished the race. My teacher gave me a small medal. I was proud of myself. In the afternoon, I tried volleyball. In volleyball, you hit the ball over a net with your hands. The ball was big and light. I learned to serve the ball. I also learned to pass the ball to my teammates. Volleyball was fun to play with friends. At the end of sports day, I was very tired, but also happy. I tried 6 different sports in one day. Soccer, basketball, swimming, tennis, running, and volleyball. I liked them all. When I went home, I told my parents about my day. They were proud of me for trying so many new things. My dad asked me, "Which sport did you like the best?" I thought for a minute. I liked soccer because I could play with my friends. I liked swimming because it made me feel free. I liked running because it was simple. But I also liked basketball, tennis, and volleyball. I said, I like all sports. They are all fun in different ways. From that day on, I was not afraid to try new sports. Every season, I try a new sport. In the winter, I like to go skiing and ice skating. In the summer, I like to go swimming and play beach volleyball. In the spring and fall, I play soccer and basketball. Now, I have many friends who like sports too. We play together after school and on weekends. Sports help me stay healthy and strong. They also help me make friends and learn new skills. Remember, you don't have to be the best at sports to enjoy it. The important thing is to have fun and do your best. Try different sports and find the ones you like most. Thank you for listening to my story. Now, let's do some fun exercises about sports to check on your understanding. Exercise 1. True or false? Maria liked sports when she was little. Is it true or false? False. Maria didn't like sports when she was little. Soccer was the first sport Maria tried. True. In basketball, you kick the ball into a goal. False. In soccer, you kick the ball into a goal. Maria tried 6 different sports on sports day. True. Maria thinks you have to be the best to enjoy a sport. False. You don't have to be the best to enjoy sports. That's what Maria thinks. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks. In soccer, you the ball with your foot. In soccer, you kick the ball with your foot. In basketball, you throw the ball into a hoop. In basketball, you throw the ball into a hoop. In tennis, you hit the ball with a racket. In tennis, you hit the ball with a racket. When you go, you move your arms and legs in the water. When you go swimming, you move your arms and legs in the water. Exercise 3. answer the questions. What was Maria afraid of when she was little? She was afraid to try new things. Who asked Maria to play soccer? Her friend Anna. Name 3 sports Maria tried on sports day. Any 3 from soccer, basketball, swimming, tennis, running, volleyball. What sports does Maria like to play in the winter? Maria likes to go skiing and ice skating. Why does Maria like sports now? Maria likes sports now because sports help her stay healthy and strong, make friends, and learn new skills. If you have answered and completed correctly all the exercises, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.